Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting now? Open Cash App, sign in, and go straight to activity. Once done, skim transactions and export or screenshot any records you want to keep, because you may not be able to remove every record permanently. Make sure two-factor authentication and your registered email or phone are available for verification. Next, clear the app cache in your phone settings to remove local data. This does not delete server records, but prepares the device for account closure or fresh sign-in. Now continue with the detailed middle steps. Tap your profile, then Settings, and choose Close Account if your goal is to remove your Cash App presence. Transfer any remaining balance to a linked bank or card first, because closure typically requires a zero balance. Follow the on-screen verification, email, text, or PIN, and save the confirmation number. Once you request closure, Cash App begins internal processing. Make sure you also uninstall the app to remove local traces from this device. Finish the process by uninstalling Cash App and revoking any app permissions or linked cards via your bank as an extra precaution. If you still see activity online or records persist, contact Cash App support with your closure confirmation and exported statements. Explain you requested account deletion and request further removal options. Make sure to keep copies of all exports and confirmation numbers for tax or dispute needs. If support cannot delete specific transactions, escalate with document.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.